Good morning. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Dear children, we are learning and knowing about World War I, how it is caused, what were the reasons, and etc. Well, today we are going to see about the cause of the war. Just see the map. We have two warring camps, that is Triple Entine and Central Pass, with two colors. Let's enter into the lesson. Outbreak of World War I and its aftermath. In early classes, we had known about the alliances, the treaties that signed between two or more countries for mutual help, especially during the war. Just look into the map again. We have friendly nations, that is with Germany and Austria-Hungary, and Russia with France. We have Serbia with connected to Austria-Hungary. So Serbia is the one which started the war, and the Allies joined with Serbia, and Austria was against Serbia and the other countries. The two warring camps, slow by slow, one after the other, the countries joined together. Central Part, Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy, Allies, France, Britain, and Russia. Italy and Russia has been given with different color because it has been went out of the warring camps during the times of war. And other countries, Turkey and Bulgaria with Central Part, Allies, Balkan countries, you know very well, that is with Serbia, Albania, Greece and Montenegro. Later with Belgium, Romania, and the final attempt with Allies is America. With that, we end First World War. Bulgaria and Romania, Bulgaria joined with Central Pass and Romania with Allies. Tsar Abativ attempts for peace. Tsar Nicholas II, he belongs to Russia. He called the worldwide countries for the peace conference that has been held in Hague. He had twice an attempt to call for the peace conference that has been happened in 1899 and 1907, but both the Hague conference, that is peace conference, have been lacked because the rules that is not followed in the First World War. The rules were no chemical weapons and not to kill civilians. So both these have been lacked during the World War. Once again, we will see the cause of the war. It has been started, the First World War has been started in July 8, 1914 with Central Pass and Allies. War in Western Front. Germany crossed Belgium and started to wage war with France and also with Battle of Marne, and this Battle of Marne was famous for the trenches. Battle of Tannenberg. It is with Russia and with East Prussia. Russia was defeated because East Prussia has been helped by Germany. Battle of Marne. Germany versus France at Battle of Marne. France was able to resist Germany, and as I have told you earlier, the Battle of Marne was remarkable for the trench warfare. Now let's see about the trench warfare that has been happened in 1914. It's a special warfare which is used for the soldiers to hide and fight. It has been dug throughout the riverside from the North Sea to the River Marne of about 35,000 miles, in which Allies have been occupied 12 miles. And memorable warfare, Now look into the trench warfare. Trenches or ditches dug by troops enabled soldiers to safely stand and protect themselves from enemy fire. This especially have been done because to supply with the food, ammunition, fresh troops, mails and orders to be delivered to the soldiers. This was the first time the soldiers were ever seeing these trenches. These were the pictures. You can see how the trenches have been dug and the soldiers were fighting with it. This is an imaginary process to show you how the trenches have been fought. We call this as no man land, and we have either sides alleys and Central Park. The soldiers will be inside the trenches. When they come out of the trenches, the enemy sought to shoot them. This is how the war has been went on. 1916, Battle of Verdun with Germany with France. France lost in the war. So this has been fought in the reverse side. So Germany with Britain, both the France and the Britain were the friendly nation which has been destroyed or defeated by Germany. So thus Britain lost in the war. War in Eastern Front. Russia versus Austria. You know very well, Austria is a friendly nation with Germany. So Germany went for its aid. Austria had an utter failure. So again and again the Russia started to fail in its war and it has been defeated. So most of its treasury have been lost and also the soldiers have been killed, and meanwhile the rest of the soldiers felt tired. So this was the time the Russian Revolution has been started. Tsar Nicholas II with the bourgeois government, the peasants and the students were about to oppose them. They were about to fight for the bread. It was a severe famine affected Russia. The Marxist philosophers, everyone gathered together and asked for the people for the mass action to be raised against the prevailing government. The prevailing government were no other way wanted to abdicate or move out of its position. So Tsar Nicholas, by the end of the Russian Revolution, wanted to remove from this position, and also Lenin came for the ruling. He belongs to Bolshevik party, and thus it is renamed as Soviet Communist Party. War in Middle East. Turkey and Central Park were about to fight against Russia. Even though Russia wanted to come out of the First World War, the communication between the Russia and allies have been cut, and Turkey was able to hold up firm with the Constantinople, which was its important possessive position. Now with the break of World War, Russia wanted to have the treaty made with Germany. The treaty was named as Brest-Litovsk. In 1917, Russia withdrew from the First World War. War in Far East. Japan started its war with China, in which Japan won, and Balkans, the Austria versus Serbia. Serbia has been crushed by Austria, and Austria has won in the war. War on the sea. It is with Britain, France against the Germany. Britain, you know very well, they were topmost. They were highlighted with the naval force, and France occupied the mid-sea. Now, it was a great loss for Germany. Germany wanted to introduce another technique, that is with the submarines. So now the Germany people have been left with mere loss, and they wanted to wait for a chance to give back to them. That's why they were about to introduce submarines. Emden and Lusitania, it was a famous merchant ship that has been sunk, and it has been told that during 1917 of about 600 merchant ships have been sunk in North Sea. All that happened by the fierce power of Germans. And now Germans have been left with full confidence of winning first Germany. But after sinking Lusitania, Americans was about to enter into the war. When America made an entry, there was all the sides fight against Germany. Germany has been pulled down, and now Germany with Austria suited for peace. We have come to end of the war. In the beginning, Central Powers were in a full-fledged, and they started to win against the Allies. But finally, Kaiser William II have been fled to Holland. Austria and Germany started to seek peace with the Allies. So the treaties have been made in the Paris Peace Conference. Paris Peace Conference have been held in 1919 with the important personalities. What were the provision of Paris Peace Treaty? This was called as the Treaty of Versailles, and Germany had been found guilty and wanted to pay compensation of about 6,600 million pounds to the victory countries, not only with the Germany but also with all the Central Power who have been directly joined with the Germany. And Germany army and the navy have to be limited. Austria and Germany have to be acknowledged, and Austria have to be given independence. Still, Germany have been humiliated by the terms of treaty. That is, Germany was forced to give away all its rights and titles and the overseas possession to the Allies. Now you know very well, Germany have been pulled out of all its force. The treaties what has been signed also have been taken away from the Germany. Now it has been left all alone. This is also one of the reasons for the Second World War. Again, Alsace and Lorraine was to be returned back to France. Russian territories, Finland, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania are also has been given independence. Danzig has been created as an international colony. Rhineland was demilitarized and it has been given to Allies. Okay. What was the peace settlement? How it has been made? And this peace settlement is a fruitful one? No, not at all. It has some sort of criticism. The first one is, it is a namesake document with self-determination by Woodrow Wilson. Germany was weakened and limited. This was the aim of Woodrow Wilson. And Italy was disappointed because in the beginning he thought that he would gain much war spoils and he also to regain its own territory, but he was disappointed he has not given with war compensation properly. Europe was mixed population, so that's why they were being not able to have frontiers, draw the frontiers or the territories in proper way. Fallout of World War I. It left a deep impact on Europe's society and politics. Through conscription and through air raids, population was very much affected. Millions were scumbled. Soldiers were replaced by civilians. Not only that, there was a difference in the sex ratio. Most of the males have been died. Consolidation of Soviet unions were created. America became as a debtor country because he is dominating with other countries. He was able to give debt to the other countries. Turkey's rebirth. Turkey's rebirth have been thanks to Mustafa Kemal Pasha. So Turkey has been reconstructed in a proper way, as it has been lost all its territories. It has been reconstructed and has been given new birth to Turkey. Finally, we are coming to the impact of India, how India has been affected. Europe was the main theatre of the war. Even though it is a main theatre of the war, the fighting went on in different parts of the world. India has been contributed of about 600 million pounds to the world countries through cash and kind. Aiming the home rule, because home rule was being formed in India to have its independence, but it all in vain. Khilafat movement was created, and it has been found by the Muslims to have the Muslims innovations. Finally, through the First World War, even though India has been participated wholeheartedly, no reward has been given from Britain. Thus we end this lesson for time being, and we'll see you and meet you in the next session. Thank you.